This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to talk about my crocheted and knit with Frida Erbashar or Frida Erbashar, about me and how everything is going on. So when I wake up in the morning, I usually get messages. So what I do is I go into my YouTube channel and I try to reply or give a heart, and I go from there. But this morning I woke up with a message. This time I screenshot it and I wanted to share it with you. So I do get these messages randomly. So here's the message. This person, not a subscriber at all. The pattern is beautiful and you might be amazing crocheter, but you are not a very good at teaching. I said, wow. Either she must be new or she has no clue about crocheting. So I did not comment. I flagged it. I removed it from my site. ASAP. Oh my goodness, I don't think you guys can see this. Yeah, I don't know why you can't see it. I tried to share it on my Instagram. What should I do? Let me see if you can see. This is what I'm working on, and I was gonna do the tutorial. Here we go. It's a little bit tiny. I tried to make it bigger as I can, or maybe I can. You can't see it now. You only see a bright. I don't know what you see. Let me see what I can do. Oh, no, it's not working. Okay. Let me just go back. So I hope you can read it from here. The pattern is beautiful and you might be amazing crocheter. I said, wow, okay. I don't know what to say. Like I'm trying to do tutorials. I love to do tutorials and I thought I was good at it. I don't know why this person commented like that. Doesn't even make sense. So yeah, so I will be removed and I will block you. You might open another account and go back into my channel, but you will be blocked. So I was very, very disappointed. Just put me down, you know. You are not a very good at teaching. Well, okay, get a life, buddy. That's all I can say. Okay, and another thing. See, these are I load my I did a tutorial today, so I loaded it. I have 43 views and I have comments, 4 comments. So I clicked this comment button and I just found this recently, just a couple of months ago, and I thought, wow, something I learned today. Okay, can you see? Let me just go click this one and then everything will pop, all the comments that I receive. So can you see, like, this person is not a subscriber. How do I understand that this person is not a subscriber? So what I do is, can you see this red thing here? Let me see. I don't think everyone knows about this. I just found it recently. So this red thing here, right there, this one, when I put my thingy there, it says publicly subscribed to you 2 weeks ago. Thank you so much, Sandy. So I know she's a subscriber. Can you see all these? Says this person is not a subscriber. I can see who's subscribing and who is not subscribing. So I don't need proof from you. Like usually I was asking when I was doing my yarn giveaways, I was asking, can you send me a proof that you're a subscriber? But I found this, so 2 months ago, this Denise Hoffman subscribed to me. Thank you so much. I found out you don't have to. Like I'm almost 25,000 subscribers and it doesn't mean a lot, but you will be notified when you subscribe to my channel and when you click the button Jamie with yarn. Thank you so much, Jamie. She's 6 years she's a subscriber. So I've been around on YouTube for over 10 years. So I'm not a newbie that trying to do tutorials. Learned how to crochet just in the last year and doing tutorials on YouTube. So I'm not a newbie, so I don't know why that person. So 4 months, this is nice. I really like this. Hi, Hetterberry. She's a subscriber. I know she subscribed to me and then she won the giveaway. So she never has removed the subscription. I really like that. So another thing, I'm just going to show you my how I was disappointed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to my my giveaway. I'll just show you that. And I was shocked. So the people that I sent yarn to, they never subscribed to me. So that was kind of disappointing, you know, when you send all those yarn. Okay, I did October. I believe it was in October. Okay, here we go. Yarn giveaway. Winner flash. Where is my yarn giveaway? Can't find it. Huh. It should be here. Winner flash yarn. I think this is the one. Okay, I believe this is the yarn giveaway. Let me just click it and see if it's the one. Yarn and thread giveaway. Okay, so what I do is I click the comments. Can you see? You can see the people who have subscribed to my channel. Look, this person never subscribed. And then she commented, I don't think that's right? Yolanda, she subscribed. She must have subscribed when I did the giveaway and she never removed it. Thank you so much, Yolanda. See, this person never subscribed. Why are you commenting if you're not subscribing? I don't understand this at all. Yeah, okay, I just want to show the person. Oh, nothing's popping up. Okay, she's a subscriber. I know her. See, this person never subscribed. Maybe she subscribed then and she removed herself. So that's another thing that you find it. See, 1 year. So she was a subscriber before she commented. Thank you so much, Lisa. Okay, so she was a subscriber before again. Thank you for the giveaway. Well, she never subscribed. See, can you see? That's what I'm trying to say. Like, if you lie, we will find you that you're lying. It's so funny though. Oh my goodness, I just laughed. I just laughed when I saw this. I said to myself, wow. So I just wanted to share. There's tricks that we can see that you're not a subscriber, and then you comment. See, I can see lots of people never subscribed. See, and that maybe I don't know. I never remove my when I subscribe to channels. Oh my goodness, see, this person never subscribed and she won. I didn't know how to check it. See, this is not right. Yeah, the only way I'm sharing the people that who subscribed to my channel. Yeah. Just showing you. I wanted to show another one see, another one. I get weird, you know, we're all human beings. See, for her comment, I said, what on earth are you talking about? I'm not rude at all. It's like I'm puzzled when I'm reading some of the comments. So I just wanted to share, you guys, how we can find who has subscribed to our channel. Just to point that out. So there's no, you can't lie about this. Yeah, I'm almost hitting 25,000. I don't know if I'm going to do any yarn giveaway due to this virus thing. Like Canada Post, USPS, American Postal Service is USA Postal Service is very slow, and I haven't ordered any yarn, believe it or not. Any yarn. I haven't bought anything, even on Amazon. My son did a couple of times, and I can check messages here, but I can't see who has subscribed or who has not subscribed. So the only way I can go into that comment section here where I'm on my channel, I can see it. So just wanted to point that out. And I'm getting these, I don't know, these weird messages from Weird when I go into their account. Like, loved it. Like, this person commented maybe 10 times. I had to delete a couple of them. Maybe they did it accidentally. I don't know. Just wanted to share you that we can see you. Isn't it funny? Yeah, and I always try to help. Like, I try to reply to the comments. But sometimes I do miss, so it is not what I do that on purpose. Yeah, I get busy, and sometimes I can't even log in. So just wanted to share you this and tell you what I'm up to. And I am going to be doing a tutorial, so I will post that. June is almost around the corner. Yeah, tomorrow's June 1st. I can't believe it. Yeah, since March. We've been home, and I've been working on my tutorials. Yeah. That's all I am going to say. Here are all my tutorials. Yeah, trying to share what I've been up to. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share it with your family and friends, and stay home, stay safe, take care.